As we're back here sa Battle of Arellano at Lyceum of the Philippines University. Fourth quarter na, last quarter. Close game pa rin naman, Coach Ralph.
Ang tanong kung masusustain ng Arellano, no? Taas ng score ng Arellano, 19 points sa third quarter.
19 against the 12 ditong LPU as Vinoya can't get that first shot for Arellano Chiefs. Peñafiel with the ball. Coach Ralph, napakaganda nung naging kartada ng Arellano on the third quarter. Sino ba nga talagang kinuhanan nila ng puntos ng panahon na yun?
Kung ano natin, it's a collective effort ng team. Lahat, kumbaga wala namang bola si Ungotan, kukuha siya ng bola, sariling sikap niya. Hindi siya naiinggit na hindi siya tumitira. Nandun pa siya, mas sinisipagan niya pa kumuha ng rebound. Kaya nakuha nila yung lamang nila eh. Umabot pa yan ng 10 points pa.
How about Vinoya? Maverick Vinoya also trying to, break his career high, I think, dito sa laban na to.
Ako, I bet na makukuha niya eh. Ang tanong na lang kung ilang points ang career high na ma-establish niya ngayon.
The question now, if they can sustain, yun lang laging sakit nito ang mga taga-Arellano. Magandang simula, pero yung dulo medyo nag-aalangan. As LPU missing on that first try. Valencia, mag-isa!
Walang transition defense na naiwan para sa safety na sa Lyceum.
As Barba answers back. Bangga muna bago tira para kay Ato Barba.
Ang bilis na kabalik ng Lyceum. That's 14th point of Barba.
Arellano with the ball now. They're up 65-59. Valencia, nakascore kanina. Hindi natin kung masusundan, but Dre Miller loses the ball. Meron muna tayong courtside report mula rito kay Bianca Alejandre.
Though the odds may not be in the favor of the mighty Piratas, the scoreboard just adds fuel to their fire and awakens their unwavering spirit. Following through Coach Gilbert Malabanan's orders, we must always be ready. At wag na wag natin sasayangin itong chance na ito. Though the Pirates find themselves trailing, their spirit is definitely unyielding. Now they're on the move to harness that energy, double their efforts, and inspire plays to spark a late game surge. Nico and Ralph?
Thank you so much, Bianca. As Ato Barba from the LPU scored, but Maverick Vinoya, nako, career high na yata.
Career high na to, 17 points. Na-break niya na yung 16 points niya last game.
Let's see how LPU respond here.
Ilang possessions na nilang pinupuntahan si Barba.
Missing from the three, itong si Greg Cunanan. Another rebound for the Arellano. Valencia gives it to Vinoya. They're up by 7. Valencia pa rin, 7 to shoot for Arellano. Now Miller fakes, drives, and missing.
Sorry, miss. Ang ganda ng hang time niya na yan, hindi lang na-convert.
LPU once again, Ato Barba trying to be the man again.
Yes, mukhang dapat talaga nila puntahan si Barba.
68-63 as Borromeo missing again. Malapit na tira yun, Coach Ralph.
Correct. Yan yung mga panghihinayangan mo pagdating ng endgame eh.
Tingnan natin if LPU once again can score in this possession. Ato Barba will be fouled.
Yes, nagiging center ng offense nila ngayon si Barba. Tama yan. Maganda, ilang beses na nakakuha si Barba dyan sa ilalim eh. He can be a decoy. Or kung wala talagang help, kaya niyang tapusin yung play na yun eh.
Now LPU shot clock reset at 14 with 6:31 remaining in this game. Villegas missing. Villegas had 5 points on the third quarter.
Alam naman natin kaya niyang i-convert yung tira na yun. Still a good shot. Still a good play for Lyceum. Kailangan lang kumuha ng mga stops.
Now Vinoya gets it to Borromeo. 7 to shoot for Arellano. Valencia. Pabibitawan. Spins. Beating the shot clock para rito kay Basti Valencia.
13 points for Valencia. Ang dami nagko-contribute sa Arellano, hindi mo alam kung kanino ka magpo-focus sa defense eh.
Timac Ongotan kanina, Basti Valencia scattered points pero
May Binoya pa.
now Barba will try, no good. Bola mananatili sa LPU. Peñafiel was fouled on that attack.
Ito naman yung parang version ni Ongotan sa LPU. Again, nag-aabang ng offensive rebound, kumakat, moving without the ball. Ito yung ginagawa rin ni Ongotan sa Arellano.
Ito makikita natin Binoya scoring from the outside. Ito naman Barba. Sumasagot.
Matured na si Barbe.
Peñafiel will make his first shot from the free throw line. Nung nakaraan, sabi nga, inuulit natin, sinasabi ni Coach Gilbert, hahabol na naman sila ngayon. Mukhang tama pa rin talaga eh.
Correct.
Ito na yung LPU basketball, nakakapagod.
Kasama ata sa drills nila yan eh. Sinisimulate nila yan.
Second shot for Peñafiel is good also.
11 points for Simon Peñafiel. Papakita ng 2-2-1 na trap tong LPU. Tingnan natin kung magiging effective.
Ayan, na-break ng Arellano. Itong depensa. Basti Valencia.
Nice press break by the Arellano. They stay composed. Hinanap nila yung mga open. Di sila nagpanic.
15 points for Basti Valencia. They're still up here by 7. Gandang depensa naman ng Arellano. Dre Miller will stop. Pumps. No good. That's his shot. That's his shot.
Yeah, yeah. Pero may si Ongotan libre rin sa corner. Pwede rin niyang i-option yun. That's a foul.
As we saw a foul there against an Arellano player as Basti Valencia will have that difficult shot.
Yeah. Ako lang, ang maganda lang na nakikita mo ngayon sa games, ang Arellano Chiefs, pinapakita talaga nila, yung energy nila mas mataas eh, yung body language nila, pinapakita nila na mas gusto nilang manalo today.
Eto na. Halfway through our fourth quarter. Let's see if LPU has enough para makahabol sa laban nito. Macleod to Aviles. Mintes.
Sorry, miss.
A chance for
Point lang
Arellano.
for Aviles. Malaking bagay yun. Pagbabayaran nila yan.
Dadagdag pa kaya itong si Ongotan sa lamang ng Arellano. Great pass! Great caught by
Ganda ng
Patrick
pick and
Binoya!
roll. Nagiging patient na sila eh. Siguro nga ito yung lesson na nakuha nila sa 3 games na pagkatalo nila.
That's the 19th point of Maverick Binoya. Another career high for this guy. Barba. Siya na naman kaya ang aasahan dito sa fourth quarter. Kunanan spins and
At least naka-convert pero nagiging stagnant na ang play ng LPU ngayon. Nakikita natin yung ang Pirates parang pupunta lang sa post, one-on-one, ISO on top. Magiging madaling i-handle ng defense ng Arellano. Kailangan mag-execute pa rin sila.
As we saw that beautiful two-man game from Binoy and Ongotan. At ito naman si Greg Kunanan sasagot para rito sa LPU.
Ganda ng execution ng pick and roll nila ni Ongotan at Binoya. Napakalinis.
LPU still down by 7 here. Arellano leading 74-67. At may chance pa na magdagdag pa rito. Timac Ongotan. Kakawala! Enough is enough para rito sa LPU Pirates. Tumawag ng timeout. Magbabalik tayo dito sa NCAA Season 100.
Ano doon? Right of the jump ball.
King Gortiza off
Eto
the
na.
screen.
Iyon
He
naman.
knocks it down. Wasting no time to make his presence felt.
As expected para dito kay King Gortiza.
Ongotan. pull-up jumper is off. Here comes Harvey Pagsanhan.
Ayun na naman si
What a
Gorteza on the pass break.
Gorteza on the touchdown. EAC is starting off strong.
Hindi pa tapos ang Arellano Chiefs sa laban na to. Talagang ginagawa ang lahat para kahit pa paano makuha na itong unang panalo sa laban nila. Kaya, Coach?
Pero ito yung time na hindi pa dapat sila mag-celebrate. Mahaba pa to, 3 minutes and 44 seconds. They need to be they need to stay disciplined, composed, papunta rito sa last 3 minutes na to. Ito yung sakit nila actually, na dapat gamutin nila.
Tingnan natin kung magagamot yan, Coach Ralph. As they're up here, 76-67. Kanina, mabilis din naglaho yung lamang nitong Arellano on the first quarter. Let's see if LPU ay meron pang natitira sa kanilang mga bulsa. Barba, missing once again.
Timac Ongotan, 13 points, 10 rebounds.
Almost
For
a
his
steal.
height, no? Kaya sayang.
Complete steal for LPU. Ato Barba.
Na-jigs ko ata si Ongotan.
Ito yung depensa ng LPU. Medyo humihigpit na. As Vinoya scrambling there. Kanina mapupunta Vinoya. Barba diving for the loose ball.
Is may feel mo, dumiin yung defense bigla ng Lyceum Pirates.
Nakikita nila, paikli na ng paikli itong oras natin as we see this steal by LPU. Great top there by Greg Cunanan as Ato Barba is free for the layup.
May kita mo, ito yung kulang sa kanila nung third and early part ng fourth quarter. Yung Lyceum Pirates, parang nagre-relax eh. Akala nila magiging madali sa kanila. Unlike ang Arellano, talagang patay kung maglaro eh. Pero ito, 3 minutes, mahaba pa to.
We saw too many baddies today na nasa floor natin, Coach Ralph, and you know, they really wanted to win kapag ganyan ang mga player natin.
Oh, that's a sign na talagang gustong-gusto nila kung dumadive ka.
As Maverick Vinoya now has 19 points, 4 out of 4 from the 3-point line.
Career high yan, 19 points.
LPU gives it underneath kay Barba, pero tumama sa isang taga-Arellano.
Bumabalik na naman sila sa poste or sa paint kay Barba. Alam nila meron silang advantage na makukuha dyan. He can attract the defense. Nakita na ilang puntos na. 20 points na ata si Barba.
Now McLeod with the ball. Attempt to shoot for the red shirt. Gives it to Montaño. Nako. Oh no. Offensive foul. Balik ang bola sa Arellano, Coach. Sayang yun. Libre na.
Correct. Sayang yung mga, again, pagbabayaran mo pagdating ng crunch time.
Ang referee natin, takin mo na raw. Itong Arellano, gumagandang depensa for LPU. Sumisigip din, pero talaga nakakahanap lang talaga ng paraan itong mga taga-Arellano.
Kasi ito yung time, talaga dapat ang focus mo, intensity mo tumataas.
Valencia will try, no good. LPU with the ball. Tatakbo na. Ato Barba, nasa kanyang bola. Gives
Nice
it
pass.
underneath to
Nice
Montaño.
Nakita niya pa yun, no? Coming from a spin, meron sa ilalim, nasilip niya pa.
LPU kumakatok pa rin sa laban na ito. Magbabalik tayo with 2:31 remaining dito lang sa NCAA Season 100.
And Monhe with a deflection. Ito na si Monhe. Monhe with a finish.
Ganda na ang defense ni Monhe.
Coach, as we see this move by Kobe Monhe, I just noticed and realized itong uniform ng Letran, may pagka-throwback, na anggulo.
Kung akala natin masyado nang lalayo itong mga taga-Arellano, LPU finding a way para mas makalapit dito sa fourth quarter. led by this guy, Ato Barba. If he's not scoring, he's passing the ball to his teammates, Coach.
Talaga yun siya ang sentro ng offense ng LPU. Makikita naman natin how composed. Coming from a spin, hindi siya nagmamadali. Nakikita mo lang kay Barba, cool na cool pa rin siya ngayon. No? Ito na yung crucial part ng game. Pero nakikita mo yung mukha niya, walang kakaba-kaba.
Karaniwan, pag nag-spin ka na gano'n, anticipate mo, may susundot sa'yo. But Ato Barba, alam na alam ang gagawin sa mga ganong pagkakataon. As Arellano right now, up by 5. 76-71 with 2:30
full court
to
trap
go.
ang ang Lyceum Pirates. Tingnan natin kung mag-work.
Arellano able to break that press. Ongotan. Now Miller with the ball against the defense of Maclod Guadagna. Ongotan. Dumire-diretso. Mintis lang. LPU. A chance for them to be back in this game. They're just down by 5.
Are they going to Barba?
Barba. Now Guadagna with the looper. Mintis
Good
pa rin
stop
doon.
for Arellano. Pero good shot, good try. Guadagna. Dapat walang transition defense ang LPU. Buti na lang nakuha ni Montaño.
Ano nangyari dito? As we see here, Ato Barba, parang nirereklamo yung kanyang bibig dito. Pero ang bola na mapupunta sa LPU, a missed chance there for Arellano na maparami pa. John Barba, Ato Barba with 20 points, Coach Ralph.
Okay, nakakatakot lang. Nilabas si Barba papunta sa dugout. No? Malaking factor kasi siya sa game. Actually, kanina nung lumaki ang lamang ng Arellano, nung first part ng first half, nung pinasok si Barba, alam mo, naging game changer kaagad siya. Magiging malaking factor ang paglabas ngayon ni Barba.
Tingnan natin if in time, makakabalik pa itong si Ato Barba sa laban na ito. Pinalitan muna siya. Now LPU with the ball. Tingnan natin kung makakabawas pa. Guadagna decides to take it inside. Mintis, Daileg will be fouled. And the basket para rito kay Daileg.
Ito na naman yung tanong natin. Mahuhold ba ng Arellano? Umabot ng 11 points ang lamang nila sa fourth.
Ito yung nangyari kay Barba kanina. Pag-drive nitong si Timok Ongotan. Sakto.
Sigo yun, masakit yun.
Sigo doon sa bibig ni Barba. This is another angle. Leon, naku po. Talagang mayayan ni Garong.
Yan, oo.
Nakakahilo
yan, oo. Talagang, ang lang sana, hindi kailangan speech or what. Ayan, nakabalik na. Kaya lang, may blood pa rin.
Can see na may dugo nga doon sa labi nitong si Barba. Pero mukhang babalik na rin yata siya rito. Daileg. Can he complete? Yes. That N1 opportunity.
Dalawa na lang ang lamang.
Dalawa na lang nga. Valencia gives it to Binoya. And now Dre Miller. Let's see if Arellano can add more to their lead. Valencia, 10 to shoot for Arellano. Will fire from the tree. Mintis. And LPU with another stop. A chance for them to tie the game or take the lead. Cunanan will be fouled on that attack.
Ang bukas na bukas yung driving lane, nakita ni Cunanan. Di talaga dapat maging discipline. Yan ang sakit kasi ng Arellano. Yung discipline nila sa defense, yung driving lane yan, bukas na bukas eh. Oh.
Medyo nahuli sa depensa itong si Dre Miller and also yung help dapat ni Basti Valencia na late there, Coach.
Correct. Unang-una dapat hindi ka na rin masyado sumusugal. Ang gamble mo sa defense, pagbabayaran mo yan pagdating ng ng crunch time eh.
As Greg Cunanan missing doon sa kanyang unang attempt.
Mahaba pa to, 1 minute 12 seconds. Maraming possessions pa to.
That's a missed opportunity for LPU.
Ang tanong ngayon sa Arellano, kanino sila pupunta? Who will be the take charge guy? Who will be the leader? Yun ang kailangan ma-establish na nila as early as now.
Yan ang pinag-uusapan namin nga kanina ni Coach Chico Manabat. Who's gonna be the leader in the clutch? Possibly, could be Maverick Binoya, Coach Ralph.
Correct. for me, kung ako ang coach, mukhang si Binoya talaga magiging point of attack ko. Okay, pwede siya maging decoy, collapse, extra pass.
Second free throw for Cunanan is good. Just a 1-point lead for Arellano. Valencia. Dalawa nga kami nasa kabila. Binoya! With the basket at may foul bang kasama ron? I told you, Coach, Maverick Binoya could be that guy, could be that leader for Arellano Chiefs in the end game. What a shot there.
Si Binoya naka 10 points na ngayong fourth quarter. Baka eto na nga yung player na sinasabi natin. Eto na yung hinahanap ni Coach Chico. 22 points. Again, a career high for him. Ang tanong, actually, ilang possessions pa rin to. Hindi pa sila pwede mag-celebrate. Mahaba pa to.
But you love that pass mula kay Basti Valencia. Kanina niya pa ginagawa yun for Maverick Binoya at hindi naman siya pinapahiya.
Yun ang nawawala sa kanila sa endgame for the past few games, no? They're not sharing the ball. Talagang kinukuha nila lang one-on-one, tumitira sila ng top shots. Eto na, natututo na sila unti-unti.
A chance here for Maverick Binoya na matagdagan pa ang kalamangan nila. Maverick missing. LPU with the board here.
One possession ball game lang to.
Ato Barba is back in the game. Greg Cunanan. 56 seconds remaining. Cunanan, Niyoyo pa. Mintis lang doon. But LPU is still with the possession. Montaño from the three! Montaño tying this game up. We thought Arellano could go all the way. It's the fourth deadlock in this game. Marami po tayong basketball with 47.3 seconds. Magbabalik ang NCAA Season 100.
Almost a steal. Actually, he completes the steal. Paeng Are. Bumitin sa ere. Paeng Are. Wow.
And one.
May deflection dito mula kay Are. Kondisyon na habol. Buhat bantay.
Hang time niya, no? Ang tagal sa ere. Hinintay mo na bumaba.
Arellano found a leader on Maverick Binoya in the clutch, but LPU has this guy, Montaño, Coach Ralph.
Ang hirap kasi dun sa last possession na yun, kung nakita natin kung nakuha na kaagad ng Arellano yung rebound. Again, we're talking about discipline. Pagdating ng last minutes, last second ng game, yun ang napaka-importante. Maliit na bagay, akala lang natin gumugulong yung bola, walang kumuha, pumunta kay Montaño. Easy sa kanya to. Alam natin, mataas ang percentage si Montaño Nakatatlo na atang 3 points to sa labas.
We talk about how Montaño can do it inside and outside, and this time, that outside shot is the most important shot for the LPU Pirates.
Kapila na tayo.
78 all with 47.3 seconds remaining. Arellano, a chance for them to get their first win of the season. Geronimo nahihirapan, gives it to Basti Valencia. 10 seconds to shoot for Arellano. Pick by Kapulong. Valencia. Dre Miller from the three. Mintes. Kapulong. Nakuha ni Valencia and he was fouled. Basti Valencia was fouled on that attempt. We're talking about offensive rebound, Coach.
Offensive rebound na naman. Yung mga masasakit na babalikan nyo pag nag-review kayo ng game. Nakita ng coach mo na hindi ka bumax out. Nako po, masasabong ka ng coach mo yan.
You love that tandem of Lawrence Capullo and Basti Valencia underneath.
Yes, binubuhay nila yung bola No?
As Basti now will have the shot from the free throw line to give Arellano the lead, but missing.
Naalala natin, meron silang game na natalo sila sa free throw. Lamang yung kalaban nila ng 1 point. May 2 free throws sila. Hindi nila nakuha yung game na yon dahil lang sa free throw. Eto na naman.
Coach Chico Manabat, alam na naman natin kung anong tumatakbo sa utak niya sa mga oras na ito. Nilamangan, natambakan, bumalik. Heto ulit tayo. Basti Valencia, second throw. No good pa rin for Basti, but Binoya!
Ganda ng rebound ni Binoya. Kinalawit.
Once again, offensive rebound for Maverick Binoya, and he was fouled on that rebound. Dalawang free throw na naman ang ibibigay para kay Maverick Binoya.
Binibigay na sa Arellano yung game eh. Dalawang free throws, offensive rebound, di nila nakuha yung, they didn't pass out. Eto na naman, may pagkakataon, bait pa rin sa kanila.
Dalawang free throw ang namintis ni Valencia. Let's see if Binoya can make it. And on that, Binoya, walang kakaba-kaba.
4 out of 10 for today 4 out of 10 si Binoya sa free throw.
Sinking one of the most important shot.
Yes, wala ka nang pakialam sa percentage. Ang importante ngayon, ma-convert mo to.
Binoya with a second shot. Can he make it? Mintes, LPU with the board. 30 seconds remaining. Guadagna decides to take it inside. Gives it to the corner. Cunanan swings it to Barba. From the tree, no good. Guadagna gets the ball.
Again, offensive rebound na naman. Offensive rebound na naman.
Maclot Guadagna at the right place at the right time. Nakita natin yung offensive rebound from Arellano University. Dito naman sa LPU. Ganun din, Coach Raul.
3 possessions na yon. 3 possessions. Ang puntos nakukuha sa free throw because of not boxing out.
Guadagna missing that first shot. Guadagna is struggling in this game, but this could be his chance to redeem itong laro niya sa araw na to.
Pag nag-miss si Guadagna rito, meron silang mukhang kailangan na nilang pumaul kasi magiging last shot na lalabas sa possession ng Arellano.
Last shot for Guadagna.
It's okay.
He makes it. A tie ball game here at 79. Our 5th deadlock of the game with 18.3 seconds remaining. A seesaw battle mula rito sa Arellano at LPU. Coach, offensive rebound talaga ang nangingibabaw sa laban na to.
Correct. Ngayon ang tanong, kukunin nila rito sa backcourt. So last shot na to. Kailangan maging maingat sa foul. Alam ko penalty na both teams. Tama ba?
Arellano with the ball. We're tied at 79. Dre Miller with the ball here. 15 seconds.
For sure. Oh no!
Dre Miller will be called for a backcourt.
Mukhang nagkakramp si Miller. Kasi walang ginagawa si Cunanan. Nawala lang yung bola. Yung pala nagkakramps na.
You wanted to love that Cunanan defense. Nakita natin na wala ang bola pero si Cunanan nandun talaga sa harapan ni Miller.
Correct.
As we see this turnover from Miller. Nako, sabi niya nag-cramps daw siya and this
Ayun,
wala talaga ang bola.
Hindi niya alam kung hahawakan niya yung bola o yung binti niya eh. Okay, so kung meron pang 10 seconds na iiwan para sa Lyceum. Hindi na natin kung paano anong idodraw na yan.
And you feel for Dre Miller. He wanted to show something for this game. Ba't nangyayari talaga yung coach eh?
Wala kang magagawa ron. Cramps eh. Nakikita naman natin yung calf niya napakatigas.
As we're also seeing yung kanyang father, Willie Miller.
Yes, very
Doon sa
concerned.
likuran natin. Parang sayang. Also, mas sayang para sa Arellano missing that possession, losing that possession sa laban na to.
Usually tawag doon, tabla panalo ka na sa possession na yun. It's either tabla or may shoot mo yun. So, convert ka na sa panalo.
And for LPU coach, malaking chance ah.
Correct. No? Isang magandang execution. Last shot na to, yun yung discipline mo.
At eto, balik tayo sa laro natin as we're seeing 79 all. Napakaganda ng laban natin. Talagang hinabol. Parehong kupunan eh. Arellano,
Siso battle.
Yung LPU, ganun din.
Dapat maging maingat dito ang sa fouls. No, ayaw natin ng ganung walang kwentang foul.
Yeah.
Sayang naman.
And for LPU, another close game for them. Let's see if they can get same result. Cunanan, 10 seconds for LPU. Now Barba with the ball, gives it to Cunanan. 7 seconds, Greg Cunanan, 5. Gives it to Guadagna. Guadagna will fire from the tree. He can't make it. And we will go to overtime.
Ganda. First work mo today, overtime agad.
Nabinyagan, overtime for this game. Arellano had the chance, but Miller had that turnover. LPU also had their chance, pero missing from the three. Itong si Maclot Guadagna. And we will be right back for our overtime. 79-all dito lang sa NCAA Season 100.
Court pressure, which kilalang kilala talaga tong team na to dyan sa ganyang depensa. Brian Sahonia, his first shot as a Sunbetter Red Lion in the NCAA. The best shooting three-point team in the NCAA. Sahonia, baseline drive. Sahonia, short. Sahonia! Wow! Parang napanood ko na.
Kaya natin i-own the future.
Hindi sapat ang 4 na quarter para sa larong ito. And we're going to overtime, 79-all. Ito makikita natin yung shot kanina. Last shot for LPU. Guadagna hinihingi ni Barba pero hindi na naibigay. And right now we're here sa ating overtime, Coach Ralph.
Another 5 minutes.
Pongotan with a looper. Magmimintes. Barba gets the ball. Binyag ang tawag dito, Coach Ralph.
Ang gandang welcome sa ito. First time, overtime kagad.
Now LPU with the ball, a chance for them. Madaming chance na ang naibigay sa LPU sa larong ito. Montaño, nako.
Ganda ng defense ni Valencia.
Matigas itong depensa ni Valencia. Ascamay gives it to Geronimo.
Nice pass. Nice pass by Geronimo. A nice shot by Geronimo.
Sweet jumper there. Mula rito kay Geronimo. As LPU.
Kaya pupunta na naman ng LPU kay Barba sa ilalim.
Ito, nagkakagulo rito kung ano ba nangyari. Let's see. Dito sa replay, itong binigay ni Kamay to Geronimo for that sweet jumper. As we will have the Arellano to get the ball. Pero bago yan, meron muna tayong report mula rito kay Bianca Alejandre. Bianca.
Sa lahat ng sports fans dyan, I know you are on the edge of your seats as we are in yet another NCAA overtime. Para sa mga palaban na Pirata, they are definitely feeling renewed as they are solidifying their strategies through the guidance of their coach to play with all of their hearts. Moving our focus now onto the courageous Chiefs. Their focus and energy have leveled up to an extreme and they are following through Coaches Chico's orders na dapat marunong kaming tumapos ng game. May leader dapat and just enjoy. And with blood and sweat pulsing through the court, stakes high and energy reverberating, who shall pull through and secure a meritorious win? Nico and Ralph?
Maraming salamat, Bianca. As right now, Arellano will get that ball after that review. Still, they're leading by 2 here sa ating overtime. Kamay. Nakawala sa depensa pero binigay sa kabila. Ongotan. Sent to shoot for Arellano. Ito naman yung 2-man game pero hindi ginamit ni Valencia. Ang pick, Valencia decides to go all the way. Natatawagan ng foul. Good decision mula rito kay Valencia.
Yan yung nakikita natin natututunan nila. Unti-unti sila nagiging nagmamature, hindi nagmamadali. Hinahanap nila yung mga clear paths, clear lanes. bago sila umatake.
As Valencia right now will have a chance to add more to their lead. First shot, remember, Valencia had 2 free throws also on that fourth quarter. Mintes, this is his third free throw na namintes sa laban na to.
Ang sakit na mga miss na yan. Yun na yung pwede mag-change ng result ng game eh.
Let's see if he can redeem himself. Finally, for Valencia, 1 out of 4.
Still a single possession. 3-point lead for Arellano.
Montaño, the one na nagpaabot sa overtime para rito sa LPU. Barba, 8 to shoot for the red shirt. Guadagna, finally making that shot.
Nice pull up, ano?
Feeling ko ganun yung gusto niyang gawin kanina.
Yes, yes.
Shot,
Yun ang gusto niya, curl, then stop, then pull up.
Just a 1-point lead here for Arellano. Vinoya will be turning the ball over. That's big for Maverick Vinoya. Let's see here.
Sino kaya ang magiging leader sa kanila? Yun ang tanong eh.
Ito yung
kailangan magpakalma sa kanila.
Stop and pop nitong si Maclod Guadagna. Finally working for him. Kanina niya pa ginagawa yan. Now LPU will try to get this lead back. Ato Barba will give it to Maclod. Montaño will get this pick. Maclod. Guadagna. Great shot. Everything but the shot for Maclod. Ang bola babalik sa Arellano.
Kailangan lang mag-ingat, no? Kailangan nilang pumili ng magandang tira para sa possession na to.
Kamay nakawala, Mintes din. Parehong kupunan, malalapit na tira, tutukan, pero ganito ang nangyayari, coach. Nagmimintes. Greg Cunanan with the ball. Gives it to Barba, will try from the 3. Finally for Barba. And LPU is now up by 2, 84-82.
Cool na cool lang si Barba eh. Nakikita mo yung mukha niya, walang pagbabago. Convert. Hindi pa siya nagsa-celebrate eh.
Yan ang pinag-uusapan natin kanina. Arellano will be losing this ball once again. Same game. Ang same
story.
Ang nangyayari, same story ang nangyayari dito sa Arellano. 10 to shoot for the red shirt. Peñafiel to Barba. He made the 3 earlier. Barba spins. Drives and shoots para rito sa LPU.
Grabe si Barba.
Barba. When you need a shot, just call his name. Ato Barba. Marami pang gagawin yan. Magbabalik tayo dito lang sa NCAA Season 100.
Huwag kayong matakot tumanggap ng bola at trabahuhin natin ang biyaya. Yan muna mula sa panig ng Arellano Chiefs, Martin and Bert.
Maraming salamat. Laisel Galpo.
Yun na nga.
Katulad nung second quarter natin.
Yun na nga.
So let's see. Dapat dito umatake ang Arellano. Basti Valencia. What a fadeaway. Going downhill. That one rolls out.
Kailan tayo na ito'y kaya natin inig. Kaya natin. Kaya natin.
You feel for the Arellano guys, but let's take a look first. This Barba 3. Ito na naman, Ato Barba. Sabi ko kanina, when you need a shot, when you need someone to score, it's Ato Barba. Kung kanina sa labas, ito naman, ipipilit sa ilalim itong si Ato Barba with a spin, with a shot.
Malinaw na malinaw, tinanggap niya na yung role eh. Team ko to, ako yung leader. Titira ako, wala akong kung mag-miss yan. I take chance. Ako to eh, ako yung leader neto eh. Team ko to.
And let's see if Arellano may maipapakita pa dito sa remaining 1 minute and 38 seconds. It's just a 4-point lead, coach, for LPU.
Mahaba pa to. Marami pang pwedeng mangyari.
Geronimo, who's gonna take the shot for Arellano? Basti Valencia drives to the basket.
Ganda, may free lane kinuha ni Basti. Talagang ganda ng pagkakaiwas niya.
Basti Valencia, noon nakaraan 6 points lang, but right now, marami nang napupuntos. Nako, Greg Cunanan will be called for the same violation na nakomit nitong si Dre Miller. Kung kanina siya yung nagbabantay doon kay Dre Miller bago ma-turnover ngayon, siya naman ang nagkaroon ng ganong turnover backcourt violation, Coach.
Valencia, 18 points na to. Tahimik na tahimik, ano?
That's a quiet 18 points for Basti Valencia, but enough para makadikit pa itong Arellano Chiefs sa laban na ito.
Dala sa pinupuntahan nila ngayon, it's Valencia or Binoya.
Still here. No. Geronimo gets the ball back. Geronimo. Ongotan from the corner. Ongotan in and out. Barba gets the ball.
Barba na naman.
Sayang yon para kay T-Mac Ongotan. Nasa loob na. Lumabas pa. Under a minute remaining. LPU with a 2-point lead here. McLeod Guadagna with a spin. Drives and he will be fouled from the back. McLeod Guadagna, fearless. Look at this. The spin move for Guadagna. Grabe yung lipat.
Kita mo naman, ano na yung tatlo-tatlo na yung defense, pero mag-shift, paano niya i-shift yung katawan niya from left to right, iniwas niya yung tira niya, nakakuha siya ng foul.
As Guadagna with a big free throw to give LPU a 3-point lead.
Crucial tong pangalawang to. Pwede maging 2-possession ball game to eh.
Let's see if he can make it. Itong kanyang second free throw, McLeod. 2 for 2. Ice in his veins. Itong si McLeod Guadagna. Nagmimintis man doon sa mga field goal. Free throw, walang problema para kay McLeod. 47 seconds remaining. Arellano. Sinong tatawagin? Binoya with a pick. Ongotan pa rin ang bola. Maiipit dito. Ongotan sa pupunta. 10 to shoot for Arellano. Nakawala! Itong si Geronimo.
Untik na maubos yung shot clock doon. Buti na lang, nagawa nila ng paraan. Ang ganda ng atake ni Geronimo na yon.
30 seconds remaining. 2-point lead here by the LPU Pirates. Tingnan natin if Arellano can have a defensive stop here. Cunanan, 7 seconds to shoot. Gives it to Montaño. To the corner, Guadagna. 4 to shoot. Guadagna fires a jumper. It's goal! McLeod Guadagna. Arellano will try once again. 5 seconds. Basti Valencia from the tree. No good. And LPU Pirates survives another close game in this NCAA Season 100. Winning this game against Arellano University, 90-86. Grabe, Coach Ralph.
Nakikita ko si Coach Chico, alam mo yung frustration, nakikita mo yung frustration sa mukha niya. It's another painful loss for the Arellano Chiefs. Pero nakita naman natin, yung composure ng LPU Pirates. Nakita natin, sabi ko nga sa'yo, pag nakikita ko yung mukha ni Barba, hindi nagbabago, nakakashoot siya, nagmi-miss siya, nakaka-stop siya. Alam natin kung sino na talagang leader na itong team na to.
But we have to talk about that McLeod Guadagna shot.
Free throw, 2 free throws, pull up. Actually, pinipili nga natin yung best player. Mukhang pwedeng paghatian pa eh, no?
As our final score is 90-86, LPU Pirates